Here we are using our clever tool from J.Racenstein. Quick soft wash. I don't know, 25, 30 feet in the area. Gonna soak everything all up. Let it dwell a little, then we're gonna give it a quick rinse. Gonna send you a quick shot of the hookup, show how easy it is, and that's it. Here's our hookup here. Great investment after taking the soft washing course. Garden hose going in, bottle of 12.5 in surfactant in that white jug. I got that dial on 15. Hose is going out. You saw how high it was shooting. 25, 30 feet, enough to the top of this big colonial. Going to give it a rinse with a garden hose. Been real happy with the complete setup, results, everything else. Great investment, guys. Don't be afraid.